Do sit down, please. As Vice President and Dean of the Faculty of Science and Engineering, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the University of Manchester and the magnificent surroundings of the Whitworth Hall for this graduation ceremony. In particular, I would like to welcome all our graduands whose achievements and hard work in the face of significant adversity over the past 2 years we celebrate here. You've made it. You have met and overcome unprecedented challenges, making your achievements all the more remarkable. The skills, knowledge, and experience you developed during your time have given you a strong platform to not only build your career, but also to succeed in the face of any obstacles you meet in the future. We're delighted also to see so many family and friends here from all over the world. We know that the past 2 years have been hard for you too, but your support has been so important to the success that we celebrate today. Welcome. For our graduates today marks a momentous milestone on a road that began many years ago. The journey of all you bright women and men has been enabled by the unstinting support and encouragement of parents, grandparents, guardians, and family friends. You may be sitting here now about to be awarded a degree from the University of Manchester, but it wasn't so long ago that you were at school doing homework and wondering what university would be like. The people who love you are as proud of you today as they have ever been, and therefore I would ask the graduands to please stand, rotate by a C4 or C3 axis. I am a Dean of Engineering and Chemistry. Round you go. Please show your appreciation to the people who have supported you. Clap, cheer, whistle. This is your chance to say thank you. Thank you. You can sit down. As the first university in the UK to set social responsibility as a core goal, we encourage all of our students to engage in transformational activities, both in their studies and beyond, to help them stand out, consider their place in the world, and to make a difference. These are the distinctive attributes of a University of Manchester graduate: socially responsible, highly employable, and resourceful global citizens who are able to make a positive contribution to society as well as to their workplace. We are very proud that so many of you are graduating today. Beyond our reputation as a renowned centre of academic excellence and pioneering research and discovery, we are being increasingly recognised for the contribution that we make to society and to the environment. In April 2021, the University of Manchester was ranked first in the world in the Times Higher Education University Impact Rankings, which rates institutions on their contributions to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This fantastic achievement epitomises our core values and recognises all that we have achieved together, delivering benefits for the good of society and transforming lives for the better. Our aim is for the University of Manchester to continue in the first rank of higher learning on a global scale. With over 160 nationalities on campus, the university is already a truly global institution and one which will remain so, valuing its European and international staff, students, and alumni. At the core of our vision is major investment in people and in buildings, infrastructure, and facilities, evidence of our commitment to the highest standards in scholarship and research. The £450 million project, the Manchester Engineering Campus Development, opening fully in summer 2022 is part of a £1 billion investment in buildings and will give state-of-the-art facilities for teaching and research across engineering. The Sir Henry Royce Institute opened in autumn 2021 as part of a national hub for research in advanced materials. And 2019 also saw the opening of the Graphene Engineering Innovation Centre to bring graphene to commercial realisation. 2019 also saw our Manchester Institute of Biotechnology win the Queen's Anniversary Award, while our Jodrell Bank site, a birthplace of radio astronomy, was given World Heritage status. And of course, Alan Turing, an alumnus of Manchester, is on the £50 note. But it isn't the bricks, the mortar, the wires, the technology and the equipment and the pieces of paper that make this university so great and successful. It is our staff, our students and our people. I would particularly like to pay tribute to all our professional services and academic staff who worked so tirelessly to deliver remote as well as face-to-face teaching throughout the COVID pandemic. A university does not exist but for its students. You are the University of Manchester. Because of our dialogue with you and your input, the university is changing and will continue to change for the better. Today is just as much about honouring you for this valuable contribution as for your success in your academic studies. The greatest thing we have taught you is not facts and figures, but how to learn, what to learn, how to think critically, and to ask questions. Your job prospects, having studied here, are enviable because employers the world over recognise the value of the diploma that you will soon be holding in your hand. And to the parents and family who believed their days of paying for their children were over, some of you are in for a shock as your child's educational aspirations continue, and I speak from first-hand experience of that. Your degree is a hugely important milestone, and we celebrate your success. But this is only the beginning of another journey and of your association with Manchester, not the end. The journey continues way beyond today's pomp and ceremony. Our career service continues to offer you help and support, and you can continue to make good use of our world-class libraries. The Alumni Association will help you to remain in contact with the university, linking you with a community of over 500,000 Manchester graduates living and working across the globe in more than 190 countries. And as alumni, you yourselves can help future students in many ways, as ambassadors of the university, in student placements and employment, and directly in the development of the university. Just as you were vital to the university when you were studying here, so you will continue to be a vital part of its future. And remember that our doors will always be open to you. You are always welcome. I congratulate you on your success and wish you every happiness in your future lives and careers. To close, it is always dangerous to give young people advice, particularly at my age, but I will do so anyway. Be bold and turn your dreams into reality. Life is not a rehearsal. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody, and welcome to our wonderful city and to the University of Manchester. This ceremony will focus on students from our School of Engineering, but we are aware that a few of you are from other subjects across the university. This mixing was necessary to ensure that you all get the chance to graduate in person in Manchester. And I would like to point out that all graduates are equally welcome and celebrated, despite me focusing on the School of Engineering and our students. Our school has 4 departments, namely Chemical Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and Mechanical, Aerospace and Civil Engineering. As a computer scientist myself, who has chosen Manchester as their home in 2003, it is with great pride that I represent today our School of Engineering, celebrate the achievements of its students, and share with you some insights into our engineering and computer science activities in Manchester. I also want to talk a little about the huge importance of training the engineers and computer scientists for tackling some of the world's most important societal challenges, and of developing our students' skills and expertise for them to make positive contributions to the world. As many of you will know, our student and staff community is vast and diverse. We teach a cohort of students from around 150 or 160 different countries across aerospace, chemical, civil, electronic, electrical, and mechanical engineering, computer science, and project management. We deliver technical master's programs in areas from manufacturing and engineering design to renewable energy systems, communications and signal processing via artificial intelligence to the management of projects. And we work with over 900 PhD research students who are at the cutting edge of their fields. I would like now to highlight a few of our research topics. We work on leading research in many areas, including cybersecurity, where we deal with new technologies such as smart electricity meters or contact tracing. And we work on understanding the behavior of fluids in porous materials, like sponges, to improve the sustainability of chemical processes. We take a systems approach to the design and control of large capacity wave energy devices. We improve offshore renewable energy designs so that we can place turbines in even deeper and deeper waters. At the Thomas Ashton Institute, we run projects that inform a safe return to work after the pandemic. I would love to give you a deeper insight into these and other research activities underway in our school and university, but I can only share a few examples. One of our early career colleagues, the aerospace systems lecturer Dr. Chiara McGrath, looks at new ways of designing space missions to support life on Earth, for example, by dealing with wildfires. She's working with industry and policymakers to design space systems that can help support life on Earth, and has recently won the Institution of Engineering Technology Young Woman Engineer of the Year Award for her work. Dr. Akilu Yunusa Kaltungo and colleagues are seeking to revolutionize the low-carbon manufacturing using graphene to enhance cement, to make it more durable. Another example of research is by Professor Rahul Nair in chemical engineering, who is opening up prospects of using graphene oxide membranes for desalination and wastewater treatment. Finally, I'd like to mention my dear colleague, Dr. Risa Batista Navarro, who develops intelligent text mining tools and uses these in various good applications. For example, she tries to help with the detection of human rights violations and to address the needs of patients with long-term diseases using these text mining tools. We have a considerable body of research in collaboration with industrial partners, from improving the integrity of the materials in nuclear power stations with EDF to more locally focused activities such as working with the Manchester Mayor and Greater Manchester Combined Authorities to help them to manage and cut CO2 emissions in our region. Exposing you, our students, to real-world research problems gives you important insights and skills for your future endeavours, whether your future is here in Manchester or somewhere else. And this brings me to location and history. To understand our expertise and our region, we need to go back to the 1800s. The university originated in Victorian times in response to the engineering challenges of the Industrial Revolution, which was then, in the 19th century, centered in the northwest of England. The year 1824 is on the university logo because it was in this year that the Institute of Mechanics was formed, and the university soon followed in 1851. So Manchester has been both the birthplace of engineering disciplines in universities and the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution. Well, today we know that the ensuing industrialization caused one of today's biggest global challenges, climate change. So it is particularly fitting that our school here in Manchester is tackling climate change through major projects in engineering, such as those relating to renewable energy, energy savings, high voltage power and nuclear energy connected with our Dalton Nuclear Institute, developing the next generation of solar cell technology in the Photon Science Institute, and hosting the Tyndall Centre for Climate Change Research. Excellent teaching. It plays a central role in our university, and my colleagues have worked extremely hard to ensure that our teaching and learning maintains its cutting edge. The pandemic has been, and still is, challenging for both our students and our staff. We had to adapt quickly to a seriously disrupted environment. We learned and worked at home, and we learned how to unmute ourselves in virtual meetings. My colleagues have sent electronic and aircraft kits around the world to ensure that our students could continue to develop their practical skills. In computer science, we have been using technology to build online spaces to generate and maintain a sense of community for our students, and we have used virtual machines to deliver our teaching technology stack. A lecturer in chemical engineering, Dr. Emily Coxey, won an Institute of Teaching and Learning Fellowship to support disadvantaged students during their study. And our teaching innovation isn't just limited to our staff. Our newly established student branch of the Industry Application Society from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering hosted a symposium on electrified transport. Many of you will have gained understanding and skills relating to global grand challenges through understanding of how to design new devices, systems, or processes as part of the projects you have been working on, both within your studies and through societies. In our school, we really enjoy working with you, our students, on addressing the major engineering, environmental, and societal challenges of today. And it is these new skills you have acquired that will open up doors in industries across many sectors, and that will ultimately lead you to make a difference in the world. Which brings me to social responsibility. Diversity and inclusions are aspects of social responsibility that are a particular focus for our school. Ensuring staff and students can participate fully in school life is something that we take very seriously. We are very proud that my dear colleague Professor Robert Stevens, the head of Department of Computer Science, was judged to be one of the UK's top 100 most influential disabled people. Via a range of activities, the school is working to improve the representation of minority groups in academic and leadership positions and rebalance our students' body gender balance. This includes a range of outreach and volunteering activities, but also various internal procedural reviews, monitoring exercises, and improved training. You have trained and studied with us to be, amongst others, engineers, computer scientists, and project managers, to work in professions that will only become more important given the current challenges and opportunities in the world. During your time in Manchester, you have acquired new knowledge, skills, and expertise, and I hope you have also broadened your horizons, become more curious, more critical, analytical, and inquiring. Please take these experiences and skills with you into the wider community and play your part in building a better world and make a difference. So, on behalf of all my colleagues across the School of Engineering and the wider university, I want to congratulate you today on your hard work, commitment, and enthusiasm and achievements at reaching this important milestone in your life, in often really, really challenging conditions, and wish your dreams for the future to become true. I would also like to thank the members of your families, friends, and significant others for the support they have given you. And I further invite you to thank them later today when you celebrate your achievements with your family and friends. Good luck in your futures and with making a difference to our world, and thank you very much for being excellent students. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Relax, everybody. Thank you. Well done. Are we ready? Then I'll begin. Vice President, on behalf of the Senate of the University, I present to you for the postgraduate research degrees, Edouard Corrèze. Masoud Faroukshad. Charalampus Manolopoulos. Gabriela Pizzuto. Marta Romeo. Peter Thompson. And for the postgraduate taught degrees, Adam Ibrahim Abdullah. Yachar Khalifa Ismaili. Dua Jafar Mohammed Al-Sayed. Fatima Ali Al-Sabyana. Saud Haman Al-Shamiri. Faisal Al-Tamimi. Carolina Andrea Alvarez Pina. Cameron Scott Davis. Amra Farag. Joel Ronald Keeling. Hadika Malik. Mustafa Umar Muhammad. Jacob Parker Basu. Mohammed Raymond. Danish Taufik. Mohammed Tayyib. And for the undergraduate with integrated master's degree, Ritam Anand. Peter Edward Brown. Arthur Collier. Mohammed Faraz Ali. Mohammed Jamal. Khalid Limbada. Jasmine Mund. William Seacombe. Daniel John Smith. Rasha Tanjawi. And for the undergraduate degree, Montaha Afana. Nabil Ahmed. Mohammed Amzaini Aisewi. Yazamin Imad Jawat Al-Haj Muhammad. Thank you. Ahmad Ismaili Abbas Haider Al-Husani. Alexander Angelov. Zen Kei. Ellie Georgia Cameron. William James Campen. Asadi Ciccarelli. Taonga Chabva Chopera. Scott Daniel Clark. Thomas Cramond Brown. Claudiu Eugene Diaconesi. Lucas Diaz Fioli. Constance Gregory. Darcy Kelly. Chiona Kotsalidou. Muze Lee. No. My mistake. Abhishek Masheswari. Benjamin Maxwell. Saif Hussein Mir. Steve Musa. Ruman Nasir. Elizabeth O'Brien. Alexander Petev. Taimur Puri. Ashikur Rama. Sana Saeed. Evgeny Serebreny. Nimit Sharma. Melvin Sowa. Excuse me. Next one. Thank you. You got to be good to beat me. You didn't look like Aidan, so Leah Molly Waterhouse. Victoria Wright. Alliance Manchester Business School, and for the postgraduate taught degree, Tatiana Boronikova. The School of Biological Sciences, and for the undergraduate degree, Sami Harb. School of Natural Sciences, and for the postgraduate research degree, Matthew Curd. And for the same school for undergraduate degrees, Sarah Adham. Nathan Harris. Chao Yan Yuan. School of Engineering for Postgraduate Taught Awards, Yan Liu. Yamu Yan. Aram Al-Yoya. Xing Li. For undergraduate integrated masters, Zain Muhammad. For the undergraduate award, Smitha Karyapuram.
May I extend my own personal congratulations and best wishes to you all. And I think you deserve another applause from parents, from visitors, for your great success. Many congratulations. To our visitors, it was great to see you here. Enjoy the spring sunshine in Manchester. It never rains in Manchester. It has the best weather in the world, which is clearly why people come and visit Manchester. Drive home, go home, travel home safely, and it's a great pleasure to have seen you all here. So thank you very much. If you could please stand. I hereby declare this degree ceremony closed.